Hi, my name is Kenny Benel. Welcome to the business news update on the News Chronicle. Here is a look at quick top stories for today. China rising consumption. Now, China's economy is showing signs of resilience as retail jumped to 4% in January and also February, while industrial production surged to 5.9%, exceeding expectation. Now, in a bid to boost domestic demand and also revitalize its stock market, the Chinese government unveiled a special action plan to boost consumption over the weekend. We also have China and US compete in nuclear fusion energy race. The race to develop grid-scale nuclear fusion energy is heating up between United States and China. While the US has long lead field, China is rapidly catching up, doubling its investment and also accelerating construction. Now, if successful, nuclear fusion, often called the holy grail of clean energy, could transform global power generation with no greenhouse gas emissions and also minimal radioactive waste. We have the Nigerian stock market dips by 0.19%. Now, the all share index fell by 0.19%, closing at 105,799.17 points, as trading volume slumped by 36.38%. Now, despite this decline, we have Academy plus 9.92% and also NIMET plus 8.43%. We are among the top gainers, while Jais Bank led in trading volume. Now, Nigeria's non-oil export hits a roadblock. Nigeria's ambition to expand non-oil export is facing major obstacles, including shortages, unstable logistics, quality concern, and also FS constraints. Now, experts warn that without structural improvement, businesses will struggle to compete globally. Also, AI breakthrough on the horizon. And now, according to Google DeepMind CEO Demis Hassabis, artificial general intelligence (AGI), an AI that rivals or surpasses human intelligence could emerge within the next 5 to 10 years. If realized, this could transform industries and companies worldwide. Now that's all from the News Chronicle. Stay tuned for more updates. Like, comment, and share this video. You can also visit the website at www.thenews-chronicle.com for more business updates. Thank you and see you next time.